There are fast cars, there are supercars, there are hypercars, and then there is this, the Koenigsegg Jesko Absolut, the fastest production car ever conceived by human hands. A theoretical top speed of 330 miles per hour, a 5-liter twin-turbo V8 producing 1,600 horsepower, and a price tag of $3 million. This machine exists in a category entirely of its own. But here is the question nobody is asking. Formula One cars cost $50 million and carry the world's most advanced racing technology. So how does a road car, built for public roads, beat them? An F1 car tops out at around 223 miles per hour on a straight. The Jesko Absolut theoretically hits 330. That gap, 107 miles per hour, is the story of obsession, mathematics, and Swedish genius. The story begins in a small town in southern Sweden called Ängelholm, inside a former Swedish Air Force hangar, where Christian von Koenigsegg has been building the impossible since 1994. Every single Jesko Absolut is hand-built by a small team of engineers. Only 125 units will ever exist, each one taking thousands of man-hours to complete. This is not a car. This is a sculpture. Visually, the Jesko Absolut is unlike anything else on four wheels. Every surface, every vent, every curve has been shaped by one single obsession, cutting through air faster than anything before it. The Absolute variant was specifically designed for maximum top speed. Koenigsegg removed the massive rear wing found on the standard Jesko and replaced it with a low-drag body, optimized entirely for straight-line velocity. The entire body is constructed from exposed carbon fiber, a material stronger than steel, yet lighter than aluminum. The result is a dry weight of just 1,320 kilograms, lighter than a Toyota Corolla. And then there is the engine, a 5-liter twin-turbocharged V8 that Koenigsegg calls the Fury. Running on E85 biofuel, it produces a staggering 1,600 horsepower from 5 liters. Let that sink in for a moment. For comparison, a Formula One engine produces around 1,000 horsepower from 1.6 liters. Koenigsegg has extracted 1,600 horsepower from 5 liters in an engine you can legally drive to the supermarket. Power means nothing without control, so Koenigsegg invented an entirely new type of gearbox, the light-speed transmission. 9 gears, 0 shift time. It can engage any gear instantly, without interrupting power delivery. Nothing like it exists anywhere. The result is a car that never loses momentum. Every millisecond of power is transferred directly to the road. 0 hesitation, 0 interruption, just pure, relentless forward acceleration that simply does not stop. 0 to 60 miles per hour takes just 2.5 seconds. 0 to 186 miles per hour, what engineers call 300 km/h, happens in under 10 seconds. Numbers that simply should not be possible on a public road car. The Bugatti Chiron Supersport holds a verified top speed of 304 miles per hour. The Hennessy Venom 5.5 claims 311. The Jesko Absolut's theoretical maximum of 330 miles per hour sits above them all, untested, unchallenged, unmatched. Step inside and you find a cockpit designed with the same philosophy as everything else on this car. Utter focus. Every surface is exposed carbon fiber. Every control is exactly where your hands naturally fall. The steering wheel alone costs more than most family cars. Embedded with a digital display, carbon fiber paddle shifters, and drive mode controls, it puts an F1 car's cockpit to shame in terms of material quality.
Twin digital displays handle navigation, performance data, and vehicle settings. The infotainment system runs Koenigsegg's own custom software, because when you build a $3 million car, you build everything yourself. Even the doors are an engineering statement. Dihedral synchro helix doors, a Koenigsegg patent, swing outward and upward simultaneously. Entering this car feels like boarding a spacecraft, because in many ways, it is one. But perhaps the most remarkable thing about the Jesko Absolut is not what it can do on a track. It is that it can legally drive on any public road in the world. This is a street-legal spacecraft with a number plate. But why is it faster than an F1 car? The answer lies in one simple word: drag. Formula One cars are designed to generate downforce, enormous amounts of it. That downforce creates drag, and drag kills top speed. An F1 car at full speed generates 5 times its own body weight in downforce, incredible for cornering, catastrophic for top speed. The Jesko Absolut throws that philosophy completely out of the window. The Jesko Absolut has a drag coefficient of just 0.278, lower than a Porsche Taycan, lower than a Tesla Model S. For a car producing 1,600 horsepower, that number is nothing short of miraculous engineering. Active Aerodynamics constantly adjust every surface of the car at speed. The rear diffuser, front splitter, and active underbody all work together in real time, reading the road and reacting faster than any human ever could. Michelin developed custom tires specifically for the Jesko Absolut, rated to withstand speeds beyond 300 miles per hour. Building a tire that survives those forces required Michelin to develop entirely new rubber compounds from scratch.
The suspension system uses a hydraulic triplex damper, another Koenigsegg invention, that keeps all four wheels planted on the road surface, regardless of speed or surface condition. At 300 miles per hour, every millimeter matters. Behind every impossible number on this car stands one man, Christian von Koenigsegg, a self-taught engineer who started this company at age 22 with a single belief that the limits of automotive performance had not yet been found. From the CCR that broke the Bugatti Chiron's world speed record in 2005 to the Agera RS that hit 277 miles per hour on a closed Nevada highway in 2017, every Koenigsegg has been faster than anything before it. And all of this comes at a price, $3 million. But consider what that buys you. 125 units worldwide, hand-built by masters, with technology that exists nowhere else on Earth. Suddenly, $3 million feels reasonable. Against the Bugatti Chiron Supersport, the Jesko Absolut is faster, lighter, and more powerful. The Bugatti costs $4 million. The Koenigsegg costs $3 million. In hypercar terms, the Jesko is a bargain. But here is what truly separates the Jesko Absolut from every other hypercar on Earth. It is not just built for a straight line. Koenigsegg claims it can lap a race circuit faster than a Le Mans prototype on road tires. The chassis is constructed entirely from carbon fiber and aluminum honeycomb, a structure so rigid it barely flexes under load. Combined with the active suspension, the car reads and responds to the road surface 1,000 times per second. Carbon ceramic brakes, larger than those found on most racing cars, bring this machine from 200 miles per hour to a complete stop with forces that would render most drivers unconscious. Control matters as much as speed. There is something deeply human about this car. In a world moving rapidly toward electric autonomous vehicles, the Jesko Absolut is a violent, loud, analog celebration of everything the combustion engine can still achieve. At full throttle, the exhaust note of the Fury V8 is described by those who have heard it as somewhere between a fighter jet and an act of God. No electric motor will ever produce a sound like this, ever. At 200 miles per hour, the Jesko Absolut passes a stationary object so fast the human eye cannot track it. The shock wave alone is enough to move a person standing nearby. This is not transportation. This is controlled violence. In a straight-line drag race against an F1 car, the Jesko Absolut loses below 150 miles per hour. The F1 car's aerodynamic grip and traction control is simply superior at lower speeds. But above 150, the Koenigsegg begins to pull away and never looks back. The 330 miles per hour figure has never been officially verified. Koenigsegg has not yet found a road or track long enough and safe enough to attempt it. That number is calculated purely from mathematics, aerodynamics, and engine output data. Koenigsegg's engineers have run thousands of simulations confirming the 330 figure is achievable. They simply need the right conditions: a perfectly flat straight road, ideal temperature, and the courage of a driver willing to go there. And so the Jesko Absolut waits. Somewhere out there is a road long enough, straight enough, and empty enough for this machine to finally show the world exactly what 330 miles per hour looks like. The question was, how does a road car beat an F1 car? The answer is simple. Koenigsegg did not build a road car that goes fast. They built the fastest thing imaginable and then made it road legal. 1,600 horsepower, 330 miles per hour, 0 to 60 in 2.5 seconds, 125 units ever built, $3 million. The Koenigsegg Jesko Absolut is not the fastest car in the world. It's the fastest thing with a number plate. In 50 years from now, when the world has moved entirely to electric and autonomous vehicles, people will look back at the Jesko Absolut the same way we look at the Spitfire today, a perfect machine.
built at the perfect moment in history. If this video gave you chills, hit the like button and subscribe to DriveIQ for more stories like this every single week. We cover every car and every story, from $18,000 budget EVs to $3 million Swedish masterpieces.